Looking to add warmth, style, and ambience to your home without the hassle of traditional wood or gas fireplaces? Electric fireplaces are a modern solution that combine cozy heat with sleek design, easy installation, and energy-efficient performance. Whether you want to upgrade your living room, create a relaxing bedroom retreat, or bring inviting comfort to your basement, there's an electric fireplace that fits your space and needs. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best electric fireplaces and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Touchstone 80026 Electric Fireplace. The Touchstone stainless electric fireplace is the best option if you want to add an electric fireplace to your room but don't have the floor space or budget for a recessed or built-in installation. We hung one in our basement and enjoyed the coziness on cooler fall nights. We still use it after 9 months. It's held up well and still looks very nice. This fireplace features a modern stainless steel frame. It looked great in our basement, but we think the clean, sleek aesthetic would go well in a big kitchen with stainless steel appliances too. If stainless isn't your thing, it's also available in a mirror finish. The stainless steel frames a tempered glass panel that holds in your choice of logs or crystals. We chose the logs, which looked pretty fake at first, but that wasn't as noticeable once we turned on the flame effect. We appreciate that we were able to choose between heat and flame or just flame, since the realistic flame effect sets a nice ambience even when heat isn't needed. The heat output of this fireplace isn't a replacement for other heat sources, at least not in a cold climate. We definitely felt the room get warmer after several hours of use, but we were also able to stand right in front of it without feeling overly hot. An audible fan blows heat upward from behind the stainless steel frame, but it wasn't too noisy. We like that there are 2 options for changing the settings: the control panel on the side of the heater and a remote control. The timer options and other settings are clearly displayed on the side of the unit, but the options on the remote took more time to figure out. This wall-mounted fireplace took a fair amount of work to install, but we love how straightforward and easy it was. It took 2 people due to how big the fireplace is, but it wasn't difficult to figure out despite fairly simplistic instructions. We do recommend giving some serious thought between the logs and crystals when installing though, since you'll need 2 people to take the glass off if you want to switch later on. Silent Smart Electric Fireplace. We've tested a lot of wall-mounted electric fireplaces, and this one is our favorite for recessed installation. It's super thin, which makes it easier to install than others like our best wall mount pick. You can also flush mount it, which is what we did for testing purposes, and the ultra-thin design lends itself well to that as well. The sleek, modern aesthetic looks great in our room, and a high level of flame customization lets you curate just the mood and atmosphere you're looking for. The physical remote works well, but the connected phone app provides even more control, and you can even connect it to your smart home for voice controls like our best smart pick. We love the variety of options. Flame colors in the double digits, 5 brightness levels, and 5 flicker speeds, all set against a glittering crystal stone bed that you lay down during setup. Exposed sides and a dangling power cord create a visual distraction if you opt for a standard wall mount, which is why you should recess mount it if possible. But it's thinner than other wall-mounted fireplaces, so it sticks out less than most. This fireplace won't replace your primary source of heat. We only feel it within about 4 feet and notice a modest increase in the temperature of our 225 square foot room over time, but it's fine for boosting the temperature in one room without turning up the furnace in the whole house, while providing an excellent ambience. RW Flame Electric Fireplace Heater. We tested the RW Flame Electric Fireplace Heater in a living room with a brick column that looked like the perfect place for a wood stove, and it fit in perfectly. We loved the realistic details, like the glass door with a metal handle and the viewing windows on 3 sides. It makes a surprisingly big impact for such a small unit. Even after a year of use, we still use this fun fireplace in our living room. It provides warmth for chilly nights and ambience year-round. The remote and timer make it convenient to use, and the choice of colored flames has been a big hit for every single holiday and season because it's so simple to switch it up and set the mood. With a heat output that's just a little less than our overall best recommendation, also a stove-style heater, and a price that's typically about $100 less, we think this is a solid alternative. The flame effects aren't as realistic as our overall best recommendation, especially with the option to set colors like purple and green, but we have a lot of fun trying out the different options. standard flames for a cozy ambience, or maybe green for a Halloween party. The heat output isn't high enough to heat up the whole room, but it does put out serious warmth in a radius of about 5 feet. We first started testing in November when it was still warm enough out that we weren't using our central heat, so we found it very comfortable to sit in front of on some of the chillier days. We loved how easy this fireplace is to set up, with most of the 20-minute setup time consumed by attaching the legs. The pre-drilled holes didn't line up that well, but we were able to assemble it without any custom modifications. We also had to place the logs and embers by hand, which was very easy thanks to the included directions. We do wish it was easier to access the control panel. It's behind the door, which is secured by a wing nut, also known as a butterfly nut, so you have to turn it every time you want to open or close the door, but we like that it comes with a remote control. Real Flame Silverton Electric Fireplace. If you've always wanted a custom-made, traditional living room fireplace, we recommend the Silverton model from Real Flame. Since it is electric and doesn't require a chimney, all you need is the space for it and a nearby outlet. We loved how easy it was to put together. It took 2 of us just under an hour, and how the white finish and molded trim give it an authentic look. We think the mantle is perfect for displaying holiday decorations, picture frames, and other decor items, although it cannot support a TV. The Real Flame uses LED technology to give the flames and embers a lifelike glow and dynamic movements that mimic a real fire that dances and dims. You can choose from 5 brightness settings and also customize the flame color. The unit can be operated by using the touchscreen panel or by a remote that can function up to 25 feet away. We found both methods easy to use. You also can operate the flame feature without the heat, so you can enjoy the ambience year-round. Plus, the blower on the heater is relatively quiet, so it doesn't take away from the ambience of the fire. Unlike many other options on this list, this fireplace can warm larger rooms, 1,000 square feet, according to the manufacturer, and has 6 different temperature settings, ranging from 72 to 99 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can customize the heat. During testing, the back of the CSA certified 1 firebox did not get hot, and there is a 2-inch gap between the firebox and the cabinet to provide additional airflow when placed against a wall. While testing this unit in our home for over a year, we find that it heats the space quickly and adds a beautiful focal point to the room. It remained in perfect condition even when we moved it from a bedroom to a dining room during home renovations. We love using this fireplace year-round, with daily use in the colder months. It still works like new and heats up the entire room, even after a year of use. Our only caveat is that it does take up a lot of room, so it's not the best option for compact spaces. Walker Edison Modern TV Stand with Electric Fireplace. If you want your fireplace to double as your TV stand, this stylish Walker Edison option is a great choice. In testing, we loved the light coastal oak color and its overall modern and simplistic design. The fireplace makes it that much better. It puts out a significant amount of heat, too, even for being within a TV stand. We were thoroughly impressed. Over time, it heats up the space and makes it quite cozy. The fan of the fireplace is a bit loud, but it sounds similar to a fan, so it isn't super disruptive. We just turn the TV up louder to drown it out. The fireplace brightness has 4 levels, and you can pause the fire if you don't want to see it in motion. You can also turn it off and just use the heat setting. It also has a timer setting that will turn it off, and all of the settings can be adjusted directly on the fireplace or using the small remote, which we loved. While the instructions for setup are clear, it took quite a bit of effort to set up, especially by ourselves. The piece itself is very long, which makes setup a bit more complicated. The majority of the pieces are also secured with cam locks, and we didn't find that to be the most stable option, as they loosened and popped out several times during assembly. Once the piece was set, we went back in and retightened all of them. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.